This is a 5-mark question. Jet streams. 6th Roman letter, first question. It is a detailed question. What is jet streams? Air currents in the upper layers of atmosphere is known as jet streams. What is called as jet streams? Air currents which lies in the upper layer of atmosphere. Which is the upper layer? It is a lithosphere. When the air currents in the upper layer of atmosphere is known as jet streams. Okay? It could determine the arrival and departure of monsoon winds in India. What it determines? The jet winds is the one it determines. What it determines, dears? It determines arrival and departure of monsoon winds in India. What is called as jet streams? Air currents in the upper layer of atmosphere is known as jet streams. What it determine? Jet streams determine the arrival and departure of monsoon winds in India. This is a picture of jet streams. Okay, dears, this is a picture. Here is a warmer area. This one is a colder area. Warmer means vedu-vedupana. Colder means குளிர்ந்து இருக்கிறது தான் colder. Warmer and colder. The center is jet streams. It could determine only the jet streams only determine the arrival and departure of monsoon winds in India. Next one, this is a 2-mark question. Cyclone, hurricane. Okay, cyclone. What is called a cyclone? புயல் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, cyclone ஃபார்ம் ஆகியிருக்கு, இன்னும் 2 நாளைக்கு மழை பெய்யும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ cyclone means cyclone changes its position and direction with time to time. Cyclone changes its position and direction with time to time. It is a 2-mark question, 6th Roman letter, second question. What is detailed question? 6th Roman letter, second question. Explain the types of winds. The question inge start ஆகுது. Different types of wind அங்க start ஆகி here and this is the last point. Cyclone changes its position and direction with the time to time. Okay, the speed of wind also changes with time. It gives heavy rainfall. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம last classல பார்த்துட்டோம். What is clouds, dears? What is clouds? Clouds are the large collection of very tiny droplets of water. What is called as clouds? மேகங்கள்னா என்ன? Clouds are the large collection of very tiny droplets of water. These are divided into 4 types on the basis of appearance and height. They are cirrus clouds. First cloud, cirrus cloud, stratus cloud, cumulus clouds and nimbus cloud. First one, cirrus cloud. It appears like a, what is this? Silver grey fish. Silver grey fish. It looks like a grey fish, right? This cirrus cloud appears like a silver grey fish. It may not give rain. It may not give rain. This cloud is called cirrus cloud. Second cloud, stratus cloud. Stratus cloud, this may give small shower. Small shower means little bit of rainfall. Otherwise we called it as drizzling சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. சும்மா மழை தூரும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான். Stratus cloud is gray in color which is spread out throughout the sky. It may give only a small shower. It may give only small shower. Next one. Cumulus cloud. What is this? Cumulus cloud. This cloud is called as cumulus cloud. Cumulus cloud, it looks like a white cotton. Puffy arka. It is a puffy white cotton. It gives convectional rainfall. Cumulus cloud looks like a puffy white cotton and it gives conventional rainfall. These clouds are associated with rainfall, lightning and thunder. These types of clouds when appear on the sky, it may be a chance of rainfall, lightning and thunder. This cloud is called cumulus cloud. Next one, nimbus cloud. What is this? It is a nimbus cloud. Nimbus cloud. What does mean by nimbus cloud? It is a 2-mark question. 5th Roman letter, 3rd 2-mark question. What is nimbus cloud? Nimbus cloud appears as dark or grey in color. It gives heavy rainfall. It gives heavy rainfall. What is nimbus cloud? Nimbus cloud appears as dark or grey in color. It gives heavy rainfall. It is called nimbus cloud. How it looks? This is a nimbus cloud. And how it looks? It looks very dark. It is black in color, right? Here is a black in color. This area is a grey in color. Okay, black. They mentioned it as dark color. Okay, nimbus cloud which is appear in a dark or grey in color. It gives heavy rainfall. It is called vertical or rain cloud. இது என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம்? Vertical or rain cloud அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். What is this? Nimbus cloud. Okay, this one is called nimbus cloud. Next one, let's see about rainfall. Next one, rainfall. My dear students, do you like rain? Yes, we all like rain. What is rainfall? Condensation of the water vapor causes rainfall. Which causes rainfall? Condensation of the water vapor. Water vapor, then it became a condensed one. It causes rainfall. Rainwater must be saved and not be wasted. We should save rainwater. It should not be get wasted. We should save rainwater for future purposes. Okay dears, we should not waste rainwater. We should preserve rainwater in separate things. Okay, condensation of the water vapor causes rainfall. Which causes rainfall? Condensation of the water vapor causes rainfall. Rainwater must be saved and not be wasted. This is the position of circulation. Okay, circulation over Konkan area resulting very heavy rainfall event over Mumbai, Raigad and Ratnagiri district. It It is a circulation over Konkan area which results in very high rainfall. Event this is occurred in Mumbai, Raigad and Ratnagiri district. Okay dears, today your homework is you have to write this one, jet streams. Okay, and just try this picture in your homework note. Jet streams, this is a side heading. Then you have to write these two lines. Air currents in the upper layers of atmosphere is known as jet streams. Next one, it could determine the arrival and departure of monsoon winds in India. First you have to write these two lines, then draw this picture. Outline first varanjirunga. The outline varanjittu, then this is a warmer one and this is a colder one. Draw this centered one. This is a jet. This is only your homework. Okay, detail first question, write about jet streams. Okay, this is your question, write about jet streams. You have to write from this to this and take a picture of it and send it in our WhatsApp group. Students, those who are not paid your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately as soon as possible. Okay dears, thank you, have a nice day.